Chongqing Huifan Technology Company Limited, founded in 2005, has focused on biometric product and solution to increase production capacity, upgrade equipment, and improve working environment. We moved our factory to Longgang District in Shenzhen, China on May 1st, 2018. Now we are more confident on delivery time and QC for regular and customized orders. Since 2010, HFSecurity realized we should meet our clients face-to-face. Then we attended HKE fairs and went abroad for exhibition. With more and more companies joining fairs, we stepped ahead, visiting clients locally to learn requirements better from market and customize our product accordingly. In recent years, we keep the pace of visiting 6 to 8 countries every year. We lead, not follow. Our business can be divided into 3 catalogs. Fixed application, such as attendance and access control solution for school, government, and enterprise. Flexible application, such as KYC, Know Your Client, that is healthcare, biometric banking, biometric SIM registration, biometric e-voting and farming. The last one is OEM and ODM service. With much successful experience in last more than a decade and standard procedure, you can expect a stable, cost-efficient, and a beautiful product from HFSecurity. 20% of our company profit will be used for R&D. We hope more people will benefit from our biometric product and solution. Ordinaries create extraordinary, and let us work together to build a brighter future.